This is James, also known as JV Hack. Thank you for checking out my video today. I just want to start off straight away by saying if this is your first time checking out the video, then I'm basically a dividend and growth investor who invests in predominantly US companies, and I track my performance using Google Sheets, which is what you can see at the moment. And I upload videos mainly every weekend just to show you how my portfolio is doing after the week has finished and the markets are closed. So if this is your first time coming to the video, you're very welcome. I always position my dividend stocks right at the top here, the top half, and then I have in the middle here sort of a summary of everything I'm holding. So the 8 dividend stocks, my growth stocks, my total portfolio, my performance, etc. And then at the bottom here, you'll see my growth stocks, which I currently have more of than dividend stocks. I have 12 growth stocks and 8 dividend stocks. So welcome to my video. And the big news in my portfolio this week has actually been FSLY. So FSLY is, if you don't know, is essentially a edge cloud platform which provides cloud services to a lot of companies, including TikTok, which is owned by an Asian company called ByteDance. They've been having some issues recently with North America, with privacy concerns, and as a result, FSLY just on Thursday gone have announced that Q3 revenues will probably be lower, around $2 to $3 million less than what they initially anticipated, and that caused a massive market sell-off. We saw 27% fall in the stock price on Thursday, and on the Friday gone, we saw another 5% decline. So overall, I'm now around 14% down on FSLY. I was at one point up 15%, so I have lost a lot of money. However, that being said, I am still very bullish on FSLY. This is a company which you can say is very overvalued. It is trading at around 30 times price to sales. But when it comes to growth companies like FSLY, none of that matters. What matters is the direction it's going in, the culture of the work, of the management, the clients it has, the type of sector it's in, its competitors. And let me tell you, this sector is growing. It has a lot of growth left. It's only going to get bigger and bigger if we go into another lockdown. Even if we don't go into another lockdown, I can see FSLY hitting triple digits anytime soon. We've already touched triple digits many times, well, 2 or 3 times with FSLY in the last few weeks, and its year-on-year performance is just getting better and better. And this very temporarily downtrend, which we've seen the last few days, is a great opportunity to buy. In fact, Kathy Wood, the fund manager of ARK Invest, one of the most prolific ETFs at the moment, if you look at their track performance, they've done really well. They've just recently bought, I think, around 30 million US dollars in FSLY, and that's around these levels. They've definitely gone in below 90, and right now it's $84.67. On Monday when the market opens, I don't know what the price is going to be, but I know a lot of people will be doing their research over the weekend, and a lot of people, including myself, will be buying more FSLY or be starting new positions. I'm currently around 14% down. That's not worrying me at all because I believe in FSLY and I believe in the long term. And also, on a personal level, it's only 5% of my growth portfolio, so I have a lot of room to average up or average down in FSLY and bring my portfolio weight in FSLY higher. Ideally, I would like to see an even distribution of all of my stocks, not just my growth stocks, but my dividend stocks. Right now, Tesla is around 26.7% of my entire growth portfolio, but I would like to see it be evenly balanced because I do believe in all of these companies. And if you're holding any of these companies, then you're not alone. Investors like me are also holding, and we're looking to the future because these companies you see right here, they have still a lot of potential and a lot of uptrend in the future. You know, we haven't seen the top of these stocks at all. There's still a lot more to go. So that was really the big news this week. It was all about FSLY. I'm planning to buy more next week. I'm not concerned with the lowered guidance. In fact, it's better that they tell us now, so we have an opportunity to buy. So it's already been priced in. So when the Q3 earnings do get announced, you never know. There might be some positive news. There might be something which they're keeping from us, and we may see an actual spike in the price. But even if we don't, it's still a good stock to hold. You're going to do well if you hold it, and that's it really. There wasn't much news in my dividend stocks. I did sell a lot of dividend stocks recently to fund my growth stocks. I started a new position in Palantir. They're also a software company with exclusive government contracts. A bit more of a gamble on this one because again they are very overvalued, but they are backed by some big investors. Mainly Peter Thiel, and it's quite an interesting play. So I do have a very small position in them. I'm already up 3%, so let's see what happens. But that's it really for this week. I hope to catch you guys in the next one next week. And if you like the video, do subscribe and give it a like. And had a few comments on the channel about people asking me about how I set up this Google Sheets video. So if you're the Google Sheets portfolio tracker. So if you're interested, do let me know and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, take care guys, all the best. Bye bye.